Hey guys, welcome to Mr. Jam's channel. Today's topic is quite interesting, so watch it till the end. And if it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. When dinosaurs went extinct, many animals literally came out of the dark. It had a profound effect on the evolution of life on Earth. It's amazing to imagine how life recovered from the asteroid impact that killed the dinosaurs 66 million years ago. When the asteroid slammed into the Earth, it wiped out 75% of living species, including any mammal much larger than a rat. Half the plant species died out. With the great dinosaurs gone, mammals expanded and their numbers exploded in the aftermath. Our ancestors, the early placental mammals, benefited from the extinction of dinosaurs and dwindling numbers of competing groups of mammals. Once the pressure was off, placental mammals suddenly evolved into neat forms. The body size of mammals in many species lines progressively increased after the end of the age of dinosaurs, as they took advantage of the vast expanses of land and plant food made available by the extinction of the giant reptiles. The first ancestral mammal species to be active in the daytime probably lived around 65 million years ago, just 200,000 years after the mass extinction that wiped out all dinosaurs except birds. Our ancestors evolved 3 times faster in the 10 million years after the extinction of the dinosaurs than in the previous 80 million years, according to the researchers. The team found the speed of evolution of placental mammals today includes nearly 5,000 species including humans, and was constant before the extinction event, but started to flourish right after. Plants and animals came back much faster than thought, with plants spurring mammals to diversify. The behavior of mammals changed rapidly as well, as the first of our furry ancestors began venturing out in the daylight after living a primarily nocturnal existence. It was too risky to venture out among the sharp-eyed and sharp-toothed dinosaurs. The analysis suggests the expansion into daylight happened fairly quickly after the competition died out. In evolutionary terms, 200,000 years is the blink of an eye. The scientists measured all the small changes in the bones and teeth of 904 placental fossils and mapped the anatomical differences between species on the tree of life. They compared the average rate of evolution over the geological stages before the extinction and the geological stages after to see what impact it had. Raccoon-sized mammal species had swarmed the site before the catastrophe, but for 1,000 years afterwards, just a few furry creatures no bigger than 600-gram rats roamed a ferny world where flowering plants with their nutritious seeds and fruits were scarce. 100,000 years later, twice as many mammal species roamed around, and they were back to raccoon size. These critters foraged in the palm forests that replaced the ferns. It's a world that's coming back from complete and utter devastation. After about 700,000 years, legumes showed up. The fossil pea pods are North America's oldest discovered to date. Pea and bean species from the protein bar period provided protein-rich meals that further boosted mammalian size and diversity. The body size of mammals in many species progressively increased after the end of the age of dinosaurs, as they took advantage of the vast expanses of land and plant food made available by the extinction of the giant reptiles. The common ancestor of today's camels and hippos, for example, probably started foraging in daylight around that time. Today's camels are active in the daytime, while hippos are active at night. Early apes evolved from monkeys. About 8 to 9 million years ago, their descendants in Africa diverged into 2 lines, one that led to gorillas and another to humans, chimpanzees and bonobos. Around 7 million years ago, a further divergence occurred, which separated the ancestors of modern chimpanzees and bonobos from the early hominins, whom we call human-like primates. They are our direct ancestors. Fast forward 7 million years, and today we see those hominins evolved into modern humans. The huge impact of the dinosaurs' extinction on the evolution of our ancestors really shows how important this event was in shaping the modern world. The record also holds a sobering message about the future and how quickly ecosystems might recover from ongoing human-driven extinctions. Even a recovery that geologists call fast, with hundreds of thousands of years, and the world was never the same.